Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are talking about the Dollar General clearance event, and we are looking at clearance item, matching it with digital coupons for some magic and razzle dazzle. And if you look at these prices, you know this is going to be an amazing video. So even if you're a big pharmacy couponer, I would recommend to give it a try. The Dollar General clearance event will be taking place from Friday, October the 4th to Thursday, October the 10th. It's spanning an entire week. And between now and Friday the 4th, I would definitely get to your store and look around, scout, is this worth your time, yes or no? Load the digital coupons we're talking about in this video and have a pretty positive can-do attitude. The last one is most important. If you're going to go in there with a negative attitude, you'll find nothing. But if you are an observant person who puts in 10% effort, you'd be shocked what you can do with this clearance event. So as we get closer to the 4th, your store will either be an additional 70% off or an additional 50% off. Most of us will be dealing with a 50% off store. So the math in this video we're going to be looking at is specifically at 50% off. And we're looking at the POG items and the clearance section items. Now, there are other categories that'll be an additional 50% off. I am not going through this list because it'll take 6 hours. But if you want to press pause, these are all the additional items that are an additional 50% off. Now, while you're out and about on Friday and for the full week, keep your eyes peeled for pennies. Yes, sometimes various items will reset to full price from the penny list, but if you've been paying attention, sometimes those gray totes show up and some of these magical older pennies might populate, might show up on a table, and you can get them for a penny. You have to definitely open up that Dollar General app, scan the barcode in the back. If it rings up 0.00 at your location, should ring up a penny at the register. With the cost of everything going up at a soaring price, when you can score this much stuff, and this was over a 3-day clearance event, I think a month or two back. They've been having these often, and this will probably be the last one of the year. Pairing it with digital coupons, you have an entire week to track stuff down. It's totally worth your time. I can't stress it enough, and I will show my haul on Friday the 4th as well. If you could do me a huge kindness, guys, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. It took about a day just to get all the slides together with the UPCs, so I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel and the video. Take a second and like the video. Thank you so much in advance, guys. Okay, let's have a quick pop quiz. We have a box of Cheetos mac and cheese for $1.10 on Friday, October the 4th, probably around 3 or 4 in the morning in the Dollar General app. That box with this barcode will be 55 cents. So it's 50% off of that clearance price, and that is the magic. Pairing it with digital coupons, even a little bit better. First thing that we're going to look at, this is new, this Nivea lotion. So it's $2.57. We have a $2 digital coupon making it 57 cents. We're getting close to that ashy skin season. Definitely would stock up on this. There's also a men's one, and this guy's $6.50. So half of that, subtracting the digital coupon, it'll be $1.25. It's always great to be picking up this sort of stuff this time of the year. Do love. Noticed this guy was on clearance at Family Dollar. I could not track him down. It's a massive bottle of sensitive skin Vaseline. So it would be $3 and some change. Subtracting that $2 digital, it's $1.15. And it is a massive bottle. And most stores don't even have it in the clearance section. It's in the regular section. So that right there, amazing find. Newish deodorants include this Dove 0% with the $2 digital coupon. It's $1.57. Always check those dates of the digital coupons if they're not going to expire. That one expires on the 12th. And we also have this spray by Suave. It's called a Coconut Kiss. So we have $1 digital. It would make this guy $1.35. Do you like the brick deodorant or the spray deodorant? I always shake it up, but I have been on a kick using men's spray deodorant, which is weird, but hey, it's me. Also, these Always Radiance, we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So they're $4.95. It would make 2 boxes 95 cents for the 2, which is a very good price point. For the last couple events, we haven't had a digital coupon to go with. So these have just been living rent free in the clearance section or in the regular section. If you could track them down, 95 cents for pads, fantastic. We have the Tresemme shampoo, and it's specifically the curl one. So for two of them, it would be $5.50. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. I think that was loadable last week. Hopefully, it's still in your digital coupons folder. It would make it 50 cents for the two shampoos, or a quarter per, which is fantastic. There's also different stylers and hairsprays. Maybe they'll attach with the 5 off 2. And then this one I'm very excited about. We have a 409 carpet cleaner. We have a $1 digital coupon, making this guy 80 cents. If you have a bunch of fur babies, you know the value of this stuff. It is like, gold in a bottle when you're cleaning up little messies, which they never mean, but you need to clean them. And then we have the emergencies for kids. Check expiry dates, my friends. We have a $2 digital coupon, making this $1.07. I know that Checkout 51 also has a rebate, so if you'd grab a second one, you can apply for that, get one with a coupon, and then photograph your receipt to Checkout 51 for the second. And then we also have these gummies by Centrum for the ladies. So with the $1.25 coupon, it would be $1.62. I know that Checkout 51 also has a rebate, but it's for, I think, 60 count plus, and this is a weird one. It's like a 45 counter, which is a really odd size. Lots of stores have tons and tons of medication, like Motrin, Aleve, also cold medication. Unfortunately, no digital coupons, but maybe check the different rebate apps. You might be able to line up some magic. I apologize, this UPC is really out of focus, but it's going to be $3.55. And as this is a 2-week event, perhaps on Sunday, some new coupons will populate to make this free. Typically, average shoppers do not buy all the medication. This is a couponer thing. I know Checkout 51 for the longest time had a rebate for Astropro for the children's, but it's since vanished. But this would be $2.32 if you deal from your little one deals with allergies. It's a fantastic price point. I am really, 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 really hoping that a digital coupon shows up for these Love Size 1 diapers. At 50% off, it would be $3.60, but I would love to get them for 60 cents like we have been the last 2 clearance events. Maybe it'll reappear on Sunday, fingers crossed. And then this Noxzema in a tube, I don't know, it captured my imagination. Even for $2.25, I think I might be grabbing some. Because it just seems like a cool little product. So I don't know, something about it just seems like that might be really fantastic to use. Like, you wake up first thing in the morning, wouldn't that wake you up? And then we have this Ivory 10 count of the bar soap for $2.85. That's a lot of bar soap if you love Ivory. And the Palmer's, the single bar soap for $1.35. There was a digital coupon. It has since vanished, so hopefully something shows up for us. This Glade, we have $1.50 digital, so it would make this 2-pack 75 cents. I know in the past we've been getting this for a quarter or less, but if you wanted to stock up on this, not the worst little dealio. And now we're just going to go through some stuff and just show you the different prices. I know with a lot of the P&G stuff, there's like a 5 off 15. If you wanted to do that with items that don't have digital coupons, what I would recommend is to double, triple check your math like 10 times, because if you're off by 1 cent, you're not going to get that 5 off 15. And it's for a lot of like the Swiffer products, the Always products, those sort of products. You'll see it attached at the very bottom. But a lot of these cleaners and stuff, sometimes as the week marches on, more coupons will populate. I would definitely, double, triple check is more showing up, so you're prepared, and write a list of how you want to attack this, and also set yourself a budget for the clearance event. Money is tight for everybody right now. And if you're blowing like $300 at the clearance event and not really using coupons, that's just shopping, not extreme couponing. So a budget is always a smart and cool thing to do. And I'm even setting a budget for myself so I don't get fully out of control. So on Friday the 4th, I'll probably have a video a little later in the day. So the weird thing about this clearance event is that sometimes items that are in the clearance section, or they have the clearance tag, they'll still be ringing up, like $2.50 for this. This hasn't been ringing up ever correctly, even at some stores with the clearance sticker on them. So just be really mindful of that. Some stores will do a modification where they will correct the price, and some stores will say, hey, if it's not ringing up properly at the cash register, we're not helping you. I've heard that several times, but be patient with this. The more organized that you are, load all your digital coupons, write down a little list, and scout your stores. What specifically are you looking for? Are you looking for medications? Are you just looking for little freebies or cheapies? There are no freebies in this one, but little cheap items by all means. And then scout your store, be organized, be prepared, because this is really a lot of fun. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.